We all have beads that especially, I mean, we love all beads, right? Okay, there are some orange beads that I don't love, but other than that, I love all beads. But there's just certain kinds that just speak to your soul, and I adore freshwater pearls. When I first started out in the bead world, I was working part-time at a local bead store here in Austin, Texas. And back then you could buy freshwater pearls super duper crazy cheap, like $2 a strand. It was amazing. And so when the pearls would come in to the store, we weren't allowed to buy any of the pearls for the first couple days because the customers always had to get first crack at them. But after that, man, I was over at that wall going, I'll take this one, and I'll take this one, and I'll take this one. So really I was working, but I wasn't making any money. But I did get an impressive collection of freshwater pearls. So I'm coming back to one of my very first loves, and I'm going to start carrying freshwater pearls at JillsWisemanDesigns.com. They make great accents to things. I have found a supplier that, one of the things when you're buying freshwater pearls without being able to pick them in person is you want to make sure you're getting quality. You want to make sure that they haven't been knocked around so much at various bead shows that all the nacre on the outside of the pearl has gotten scratched and beaten up. So quality is a big thing, and also that if it is a dyed pearl, that the dye job is consistent throughout, or that it looks good. And so I finally, after all these years, I found a supplier that I really trust. And so I'm willing to buy sight unseen now. In the past, I've only had freshwater pearls when I've been able to pick them in person. So to celebrate now having freshwater pearls on the website, I thought I would give away a couple strands. So let me show you what I have picked out to give away. We have some classic white, beautiful potato pearls. The luster on these is just amazing. These are really nice quality, cool. Then I got some funky ones for you. This very cool acid green kind of look, and they've got like little pearl babies on them. I just think that those would be the cutest drops on an earring right there. To put that at the bottom of an earring and have that drop down, I think that's very fun. And then this is a color that I just am completely enamored with. I wear this color a lot, this kind of russety color in the winter. And I just thought the deep tone on this is beautiful. So these are like flat nugget kind of shape. All of these, this is about a 6 to 7 millimeter, probably 6 to 7 millimeter. This looks like it's more like 5 to 6 millimeter size. So I will give away all 3 of these strands, one to 3 different people. And what you need to do is comment down below. I would like to know what you will make with your strand of freshwater pearls if you win. So leave that comment below and stay tuned for the dates that the giveaway runs and when the winner will be announced. Happy beading!